Hi dear students. Today we are going to see what is radial acceleration and what is angular acceleration and what is the difference between them. That is radial acceleration and angular acceleration. First of all, see what is radial acceleration. This acceleration is also called as centripetal acceleration. In circular motion, we know that the direction of the velocity of the particle gets changed at every instant and such that it remains always tangential to the circular path. The acceleration which is responsible to change in the direction of velocity of the particle is called as radial acceleration. Why it is called as radial acceleration? Because it acts along the radius. It is also called as centripetal acceleration because it is directed towards the center of the circle. Therefore, it is called as centripetal acceleration. In formula, the radial acceleration is given by AR vector is equal to minus omega square into R vector. The negative side indicates that the acceleration is directed towards the center or directed inwards of the circle. In magnitude, the formula is also given by AR is equal to V square upon R or V into omega along with omega square into R. This is the radial or centripetal acceleration which causes the change in direction of the velocity of the particle in circular motion. Now, what is angular acceleration? Students, in non-uniform circular motion, we know that the speed of the particle gets changed at every instant. Therefore, it is called as non-uniform circular motion. Now, if the speed of the particle is changing, then the corresponding angular velocity should be changed. Then the acceleration which is responsible to change in angular velocity is called as angular acceleration. Then what is the direction of angular acceleration? We know that the angular acceleration is given by alpha, and now see how to find out the direction of alpha. Now consider this diagram. In this diagram, the particle is performing circular motion and with non-uniform circular motion in anti-clockwise direction. If the angular speed is increasing, then the direction of angular acceleration is along the omega in this way. Again, remember that if the speed is increasing or if the angular velocity is increasing, the direction of angular acceleration is along the same angular velocity in this way as shown in the diagram. Now, if the angular velocity is decreasing, then the alpha must be in opposite direction to that of the omega. In this way, we find the direction of angular acceleration. This is the difference between radial acceleration and angular acceleration. The formula for angular acceleration is alpha is equal to d omega by dt. We define it as the rate of change of angular velocity with respect to time is called as angular acceleration.